Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check the schematic file type and the program or mod version it targets. Once done, make a quick backup of your project folder so you can restore if needed. Then install or enable any missing plugins, libraries, or mappings. These often cause the failed to load schematic error. You should also verify file permissions so the app can read the file and uncompress or convert the schematic if it's an unsupported archive. Next, diagnose the file itself. Open it in a schematic viewer or run a checksum to confirm it's not corrupted, because corrupted headers frequently break loaders. Then check the file path and name. Many loaders choke on spaces, Unicode, or long paths. If version mismatch remains, convert or re-export the schematic to a supported version. Also scan logs for specific error codes and enable verbose logging, so you can trace Finally, attempt a controlled reload. Restart the host application and load the schematic while monitoring real-time logs. If it loads, verify structure and materials inside the environment. If it still fails, revert to your backup and apply changes incrementally to isolate the cause. Make sure caches are cleared and any conversion temporary files are removed. Troubleshooting tip: enable verbose or debug logging and reproduce the failure. That single detailed stack trace or error line usually points to the exact missing asset or incompatible metadata.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.